guys, Kamoya Gordon here from KamoyaGordon.com. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to make money online. Basically, it's like social media for dummies, quote unquote. Um, I go in depth into how you can make money online, even if you are not technologically advanced or you don't understand anything about computers and stuff like that. I'm going to show you how, a simple step by step method to go ahead and make money online. So, I have a question for you though. Are you struggling to make ends meet? Are you struggling to pay your bills? Are you a single mom? Are you um or would you just like to make passive income? You know what I mean? Um is that you? If it's you, then this video is definitely for you because I'm going to show you how to go about doing that. If that's not what you're interested in, please go ahead. You can stop watching this video because that's all that I'm going to be talking about. Okay, so let me give you a little bit about myself. My name is Kamoya Gordon. As I mentioned before, I moved to this country, the United States, around 12 years ago. I came here for school. Uh, I was planning to go to school, get a job, and get a career actually, and then retire. Well, I thought about it and I said, I'd like to retire early. I don't want to wait until I'm 40 or 50 or 60 to retire. How about I retire at 35? Financially retire at 35. And I say, you know what? Let me look at ways in which I can do that. So I decided to go to online marketing. Now, I started with Instagram. And I knew nothing about Instagram. But within 30 days, I got it down to a tip. I did my necessary searches and got it done. Now, I'm going to cut it really short for you guys. If you are interested in making money online, whether it be using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, whatever your choice, whatever you choose, I can help you to do that. But first, you got to learn the basics, which are basically three simple things. Number one is discipline. You got to be disciplined on your journey that you're about to take. You can't give up. You can't say, oh, I'm tired of this. I can't be bothered. No, that is not allowed. You got to be disciplined. If you're not disciplined, you're not going to go far. The next step is to be consistent. Be consistent in whatever you are doing. So say, for example, you got to make a video every day, right? You got to make a video every day at a particular time. It doesn't matter what it is. You have to keep that consistency up every day. I mean, sometimes you're going to miss, but to build that momentum, you have to be consistent for a period of time. The third and last one, which is nonetheless of great importance, is your mentality. You got to be mentally ready. You got to be mentally sturdy. When you combine all those three together, so your discipline, your consistency, and your mentality, when you combine all those three ingredients together, you will get those results. So that's where I will stop today. These videos are going to be coming in every day. So please ensure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get updated on what's going on. Ensure that you hit the bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll get that notification I would really appreciate it if you guys join me on this journey, because I'd nothing more that I would love nothing more than to help at least one person. At least. So if you're serious about this, guys, I am a quote unquote weekend warrior. I am a part of the New Jersey National Guards. That is all I do. But I'm telling you, all my bills are paid. I can travel to wherever I want to go because of this decision that I've made to join the online circle, to join the online lifestyle, right? So I would really, really, really like to help all of y'all watching. But if all of y'all wouldn't like to come on that journey, that's okay too. That's okay. This is not for everyone. So as soon as you realize that it's not yours, please go ahead and you can exit. Um, as I said before, if you would like to get updated, and I'm sure you will want to do that, actually, you want to subscribe to my channel. You want to subscribe because it's just going up from here. Every day, I'll be posting a video on how you can make money online for free. You're not doing anything paid. You're not doing any paid ads, nothing. Just for free, you can make passive income online. Today's day one, so let's get it. Thank you for hopping on here. Be sure, if you have any question, please feel free to send an email. Emails provided. And subscribe to my channel. Comment on the video below to let me know what else you'd like to learn, what else you'd like to know. And thanks for hopping on. Until my next vid, see you.